Experience the ultimate solution for scale-free product. Watercare Electrolyzer introduces electronic water conditioner from Hyderabad. Say goodbye to scale-related hardness and use the revolutionary Watercare Electrolyzer. Get ready to unlock a plethora of benefits that ensure a scale-free product. With no chemicals, no salts, and no water wastage. Watercare Electrolyzer is the ultimate solution for your water problems. Let's delve into the incredible advantages of the Watercare Electrolyzer. We tested our product and it has proven 99% efficiency on water hardness of 3000 ppm, with the electronic water conditioner. Witness a staggering 86% reduction in scale formation on taps and geysers. And many more places. Using MMO-coated titanium mesh and steel as electrodes, we are applying anode-cathode technology, which is a method of electrolysis. Electrolysis process removes magnesium and calcium from your bore water. We have several models and sizes of electrolyzers. They are 600 mm independent house or villa up to 2000 lph, 750 mm 15 flats apartment and small industry up to 3000 to 4000 lph, 750 plus 750 mm 20 plus flats apartment, industrial use up to 8000 plus lph. Loudly say goodbye to the nuisance of scaling that damages your apartment, industrial equipment, and plumbing systems. Enjoy uninterrupted operation and optimal performance. 10 to 15 years of life. The Watercare Electrolyzer provides you with a long-lasting solution for scale-related issues. With a lifespan of 10 to 15 years, you can rely on the consistent performance and protection of your equipment and plumbing systems. Low electricity, no salts, no chemicals, no water wastage, low maintenance, eco-friendly. Experience problem-free maintenance with the Watercare Electrolyzer. Sit back and enjoy peace of mind. The Watercare Electrolyzer offers comprehensive protection for various independent houses, residential buildings, chillers in hotels and offices, shopping malls, plumbing, water treatment plants, cooling towers, and various industrial equipment, including boilers and more. Shield your equipment from scale-related issues and extend their lifespan. Lower descaling costs by preventing scale formation. The Watercare Electrolyzer electronic water conditioner helps you save significantly on descaling costs. Say goodbye to expensive descaling products, chemicals, and labor-intensive maintenance. Embrace cost-effective scale prevention for long-term savings. Prolong equipment life and protect your investments with the Watercare Electrolyzer system. By preventing scale-related damage, the system ensures the prolonged life and optimal performance of your equipment. Upgrade your plumbing equipment to the next level with the Watercare Electrolyzer system. For hotels, apartments, independent houses, villas, swimming pools, shopping malls, poultry farms, water treatment plants, Watercare is the ultimate solution. Phone 9059 54 8484 or 040 35270 Now to learn more about the Watercare Electrolyzer system and how it can transform your scale prevention strategy. Embrace innovation and protect your investments for a bright future. Thank you.